Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am back with another video finally after getting my own shop. We're gonna get started today on my first video back with a coffee mug rack that I've been wanting to make for a very long time, for all the mugs that my wife and I have collected over the years that we've traveled to different countries, and we just like to collect these mugs, and we needed somewhere to put them. So I'm very excited to show you how I made it. So thank you so much, and we're gonna get right into it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video, learned something, or simply just enjoyed the process of making a nice coffee rack. There are some details that do need to be put into this one to make it look real nice. If you do decide to make your own, make sure you connect with me on Instagram. All my social media will be linked down in the description. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.